Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create a meeting link Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to create a meeting link Microsoft Teams on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To create a meeting link, just point the cursor to the left of the screen. Here there are several icons. And tap this camera icon. Here a menu like this will appear. Here there are several menu options. Tap Create a Meeting Link. Here you can change the title of your meeting. After finishing, tap Create and Copy. And the link that you have copied can be sent to friends or colleagues who are invited to the meeting. So that's it, tutorial how to create a meeting link Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.